Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Wynne Jean if you're new here, and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, we're doing a super beginner friendly install using hair that I was sent by My First Wig. They're sponsoring today's video, so thank you again to My First Wig. This is our wig, and it came with some cute little goodies. The really cool thing about My First Wig is that a lot of the wigs come pre-plucked with bleached knots and with an adjustable band already inside, so they're really easy to install. Perfect for beginners who aren't quite comfortable customizing their wig yet. So for today, I'm going to install this wig right out of the box. I'm not going to bleach the knots. I'm not going to pluck it. I'm not really doing much to it at all except for installing it, to be real, girl. I'm not even going to put layers in it today, leaving the cut as is, and it's a really pretty, fluffy, natural, curly vibe. I don't know how to explain it. It's lots of texture on the curls, so it's not your average super silky kinky curly. It's an actual textured kinky curly that really resembles your natural hair if you have a 4A 3C pattern. And as you can see, I'm using a lot of the products that they sent me throughout the video. I used the wax tamer to go ahead and press out the edges and press out the part with my hot comb. And then I'm deep conditioning the hair with the conditioner that they sent me, and it's specifically made for wigs and extensions, which I think is really cool. So I'm really just going through it with a little bit of gel, and I left a tinctures of that conditioner in the hair. And I'm using their detangling brush to comb through the deep conditioner and the gel that I'm using. I could not find my foaming lotion to save my life, so I went in with a little bit of Eco Solid Gel, girl, and it's gonna be just fine. So now that we have the hair prepped, I've already went in and trimmed off any additional lace, making sure not to cut it super straight. You want to give it a little zigzag every now and then so that it blends in really seamlessly with your scalp. And lately, I've been parting my baby hairs out ahead of time. And I think this method works really good for glueless installs. I don't think it would work as well if you were using real glue, just because a little bit of the glue may get in the baby hairs if you place the wig in the wrong place, but to each his own, girl. Try it out. I like it. I've also applied a little bit of foundation to the lace so it can blend in really good with my scalp, and I sealed that with a little bit of hairspray and a blow dryer. And y'all know the vibe with the install, girl. I'm using my black Eben spray, and we're just laying her down. I like to apply a layer of the spray to my scalp and then another layer once I have the wig on. And it kind of like sandwiches it together and gives you a really good seal and melt on the lace. That's just my personal preference. To finish off the wig, I'm going in with a little bit more of that hairspray in my hot comb, and I'm just really flattening out that part, and then I'm taking the blow dryer and slightly going over the hair just to make sure it's at least 80% dry. I do not want my hair to be dripping outside. That is embarrassing, and it'll be all on my clothes, girl. And to finish everything off, let's just see what the melt is giving, and ladies' baby hairs. I'm applying a little bit of a lighter concealer in the part just to kind of define the part a little bit. And this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. The curls are so fluffy and pretty. I didn't apply too much product on the hair because I still wanted it to have that big fluffy vibe. Y'all know I do not like crunchy hair. Can't do it. Just can't do it. Thank you again to My First Wig for working with me. This hair is gorgeous. And I will see you guys in my next upload. I love you. Bye, babes.